Hi everyone, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide. In this video, I will show you how you can be able to buy very cheap and affordable Telegram stars on Fragment. There's a difference between buying Telegram stars on Telegram and buying it on Fragment. The difference is the price. On Fragment, you're going to be getting the Telegram stars at a cheaper price, at a cheaper rate. You're going to be getting it at a discounted price. Meanwhile, on Telegram, you're going to be getting it at a higher price. Let me go ahead now to tell you guys the difference. On Telegram, you're going to be getting these Telegram stars from your bank. You're going to be getting it using your ATM card. Meanwhile, on Fragment, you're going to be getting it using Ton from your Ton wallet. You can see there are various differences, but the major one is that you're going to be getting it at a very cheap and affordable price. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do it. As you can see on the screen right there, this is the page on Telegram where you can get stars. You can see on the left hand side we have the quantity of Telegram stars, but on the right hand side are the prices. The prices are actually higher. On Fragment, you're going to be getting 20 to 30 discount on the prices. That's it, and you're not going to be paying through your bank. On Fragment, you're going to be paying through Ton. So the few things that you need to do in order to get started with Fragment is to link your Ton wallet to your Fragment account, and also to verify your Fragment, and most especially make sure you have Ton in your wallet, in your Ton wallet. And I've already made dedicated videos on that, so what I will go through the process so that you guys can know how to do it, so you can get very cheap and affordable stars in order to carry out most of the taxes on most of these Telegram tap to earn games. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can do it. The first step you have to take is to go over to your browser. Then you tap on the search bar. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. So once you tap on it, what you have to search right there is fragment.com. That's the platform. So let me tap on it. Then let me type in fragment.com. Just type it in. You can see it right there, fragment.com. Then what I'll do next is to tap on search. Let me tap on enter. Right here is a Fragment platform. This way you can be able to buy very cheap and affordable stars. The first step you have to take is to connect your Ton wallet to Fragment. And for you to do that, what you simply have to do is to tap on where you can see connect wallet at the top, connect Ton. So let me tap on it. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do right away is to select the wallets that you have. There are different types of wallet, Ton wallet, Ton keeper. Just go ahead to select the one. Let me tap on Telegram wallet right there. Let me to connect my Telegram wallet. So let me tap on it. You can see now it's directing me now to my Telegram wallet. So what I need to do now is to connect my Telegram wallet to Fragment by tapping on where you can see connect. You can see it down there on the right hand side. You can see Fragment wants to connect to Ton space. So let me give it the go ahead. Let me tap on connect right away. Then let me go ahead now to input my wallet passcode. Let me type it real quick. This is for security reasons, to make sure that you're actually the owner of the Telegram wallet. You can see guys right here, guys can see Fragment now connected. So I've been able now to connect my Ton wallet, my Telegram wallet to Fragment. So let me tap on done so I can get back to the Fragment platform. Right here, guys, you can see we are back to the Fragment platform. So let me show you guys that I've actually connected my wallet. So let me tap on the menu icon at the top right. Let me tap on it. You can see the wallet right there. You can see connected wallet. So I've been able now to connect it. This is how you can be sure that you've connected your Ton wallet or whichever wallet at all that you have connected. So let me go back. Let me cancel out of this now. Then now the next step you have to take in order to buy very cheap and affordable Telegram stars is to tap on where you can see stars. You can see it right there at the top. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next is to tap on where you can see buy star package. Let me tap on it, buy stars package. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do right here now is to input the username of your Telegram account, or in case you want to buy for any other person, you can input the username of the person. Let me go ahead now to do that. And also you have to select the quantity of Telegram stars you want to buy. Let me do that real quick. So let me input my Telegram username. You can see I've inputted it. So let me go ahead now to select the quantity of Telegram stars I want to buy. Let me enter the quantity. You can see it right there. You can also select from the packages down there. You can see down there we have 50 stars, 500 stars, 2.5k stars. You can see it right there. Let me tap on show more options so I get to see every other packages that are available for us to buy. In case you don't want to input the quantity with your keyboard, then you can select from the packages. So let me tap on packages right away. You can see it right here. These are the several packages that we have. You can see the least one there is 50 stars, while the highest one there is 1000 stars. You can see the prices, the amount of ton you're going to be paying for it on the right hand side. So let me go ahead now to select one of it. Which am I going to go for? I think I should go for 100 stars. It's going to cost me about 0.512 that. So let me go ahead now to select it. You can see I've selected it. So what I'm going to do now is to scroll downwards. Let me scroll downwards, down. Then let me tap on buy 100 Telegram stars. Let me tap on it now to proceed. Then let me tap on where it is written buy stars for Chukwemeka. That's the name of the person. Once you input the username of the person that you want to actually buy the Telegram stars for, the name of the person is going to appear. You can see the next step, it says action required. So I need to log in. So let me tap on login right there. You can see it right there on the right hand side. Let me tap on it. You can see, guys, it's logging me in. So I need to actually connect my Telegram account to Fragment. You can see it right there, and I can do that by inputting my phone number. So let me go ahead now to input my phone number. You can see what's written there. It says please enter your phone number in the space. So let me go ahead now to enter my phone number. You can see I've inputted my phone number. So what I have to do now is to tap on next to proceed with this process. I don't want this video to be too long. You can see now, you can see what they said. We have just sent a message, please confirm access on Telegram. So let me go back now to my Telegram account to confirm this. Let me go over to my Telegram. You can see the message from Telegram right there. You can see it right there. Let me open it up. So what I need to do now is to tap on confirm. So let me tap on it. This to allow Fragments to gain access to my Telegram account. You can see accepted. So let me go back now to the Fragment platform. Let me open it up. Then let me tap on accept. You can see accept right there on the right hand side. So let me accept it now. So Fragment can log in with my Telegram account. You can see I'm back now to the Fragment platform automatically. So let me tap on buy 100 Telegram stars. Let me tap on it. Then let me tap buy stars for. Let me tap on it. You can see here's the next step. It says account verification. So let me tap on verify my account. You can see, guys, it's loading up. Then here is the next step. It says tell us where you're from. So I'll go for the first option since I'm not from the United States. You can see it right there. Let me tap on the first option to select it. If you're from the United States, go for the second option. So let me scroll down. Then let me tap on continue. You can see it's loading up. Then it said let's get it verified. So let me tick the box right there on the left hand side. Let me tick that box. Then let me go ahead now to input my email address. Let me paste it real quick. Let me tap on it, then paste. Then let me go ahead now to tap on continue. You can see my email address is already there. So let me tap on continue. Now it's loading. It's loading. Right here, guys, is the next step. You can see it says select the type and issuing country of your identity document. So let me select ID card. I have my ID card right there. So let me scroll down. You can use any other ID that you have. Let me tap on continue. Let me tap on continue. Then here is the next step. It says get ready to upload your ID card. So I'm going to be taking a picture. So let me scroll down. Then let me tap on continue. I'm going to be taking a picture of my ID card. Allow camera access. So let me tap on continue to give it access to my camera. It says fragment.com wants to use your camera. So let me tap on the first option, allow. You can see, guys, it's loading up. So guys, right here now I'll be able now to take a picture of my ID card, my national ID card. So let me take a picture of it, the front side. You can see I've taken the picture of the front side. So now let me tap on continue down there. Then let me take the picture of the back side. So let me flip my card now and take a picture, and I've taken it. The picture of the back side. So here it is. So let me tap on continue so I can proceed with this process. This video is becoming too long. You can see, guys, it's loading up. You say get your camera ready. I think this for facial verification. So let me scroll down now. Let me scroll down. This for facial verification selfie. So let me tap on continue so I can take selfie. So guys, now you can see, let me position my camera in my face. Then what I will do is to follow the on-screen instructions. Then boom, I'm done with the facial verification. Then here's the next step. It says personal information. Enter your personal information. So what you have to do is to enter your address, your postal code, the city where you live in, the state, your phone number, your Telegram username, your email address, and the rest of it. Just input all of that. So let me input all of that real quick so I can continue this video. Right here, guys, you can see I've inputted all of the personal information. So what I can do now is to go ahead with the process by tapping on continue. So let me tap on continue. You can see, guys, it's loading up. Wow, guys, can see we are processing your data. So let's just wait a few seconds. Our account and profile is going to be activated. It's going to be verified now. Wow, guys, you can see your profile has been verified. You can see the green tick. So guys, this is how you can actually verify your Fragment account. Let me scroll upwards now. Then let me tap on back to account. Let me go back to the account, to the Fragment account, so I can proceed with. Right there, guys, can see my identity has been verified on Fragment, so I'm good to go. I can go ahead with any transaction on Fragment. So let me go back now to stars. Let me tap on stars. Then let me tap on buy star package. Then let me go ahead now to select 100 stars. Then let me tap on buy 100 Telegram stars. I'm rushing so that this video is not going to be too long. Let me tap on buy stars for the name of the person. Let me tap on it. You can see, guys, it's loading. It says link wallet, so let me tap on link wallet. Remember, I've done that already, but I don't know why this notification is coming up. Let me tap on it. You can see successfully linked. You can see now it's directing me now to my Telegram account. You can see it says confirm transaction from Fragment. So let me tap on confirm. You can see the details of the transaction. Let me tap on confirm. Then for security reasons, again, let me input my passcode for my wallet. You can see. Wow, guys, you can see it says confirm transaction from Fragment. So let me tap on back to Fragment down there. Wow, guys, you can see they said star acquired. Now I've been able now to get 100 Telegram stars. So let me go back now to Telegram to confirm it. Then let me tap on this Telegram message I got. Let me tap on it. You can see, guys, down there. Wow, I've been able now to get 100 Telegram stars. You can see try the 100 Telegram stars. So guys, this is how you can be able to buy Telegram stars from Fragment at a very cheaper and a very affordable price. So guys, I believe this video was helpful. If it was, please consider liking and subscribing. See you in the next upload.